Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Jeep Grand Cherokee battery. First, move the front passenger seat completely forward to access the battery compartment. Next, carefully remove the floor mat and lift the plastic access panel to reveal the battery. Always wear safety gloves and glasses for protection. Having the right tools, such as a 10mm socket and a 13mm deep socket, will make this job much smoother and safer for you. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. Using your 10mm wrench or socket, loosen the nut on the negative battery terminal first. Once loose, carefully remove the negative cable and tuck it away from the battery. Repeat this process for the positive terminal, loosening the nut and removing the cable. If your battery has a vent hose, gently disconnect it at this time. This sequence is crucial for safety. With the cables disconnected, it's time to remove the battery hold-down bracket. You'll need a 13mm deep socket for the two nuts securing this bracket. Once the bracket is removed, carefully lift the old battery out. Be aware that car batteries are quite heavy, so lift with your legs. Before installing the new battery, clean the battery tray and terminals. Then, carefully lower the new battery into place, making sure it sits securely. To finish up, reattach the battery hold-down bracket, tightening the two 13mm nuts until snug. Next, connect the positive battery cable first, followed by the negative cable, securing both with your 10mm wrench. Reconnect the vent hose if applicable, and replace the plastic access panel and floor mat. Finally, slide the passenger seat back into its original position. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.